So I think like by that title alone, I just automatically opt out and be like, I don't know how to do that.
She was like, let's just leave this one for next expert. And I'm like, if you do business, you sell.
Yeah. And then I'm contradicting myself because it's like the previous one is networking and connections.
Yeah.
So
sales is like networking. It's like one of those words that sounds really scary, especially for creative people. I think. Do you think of a man in a pinstripe suit?
yeah, or like
Doing a hard sell.
yeah, or like cold calling on a phone call.
Cold calling, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So how would you approach the subject sales and selling? How does that apply, just to say, to some of the people on our course?
But I suppose sales and selling is just making that transaction, isn't it? So I think it depends on what you're selling. I think there are definitely misconceptions about it, and I don't think most people, probably in most sectors, respond that well to cold calls anyway. So I think most of it is about building relationships, listening, asking questions, picking up what people want, and then there's the whole world, which we've kind of covered before, of online sales and selling, which is looking at like your kind of channels and again how you communicate and express yourself on things like Instagram and through like messages and emails. But if it's like face-to-face sales, yeah, a lot of it's just about building rapport, being confident with what you're offering, and also I suppose the other thing is knowing that you're selling to the right person. So I think you don't want to, you can usually get a bit of a gut feeling whether somebody's the right fit for what you're trying to sell. And I imagine it's the same with products as well. I suppose it's a bit harder online, but I know I used to work in like shops, and I think like when you're selling shoes or clothes, I think people just want you to listen to them and help them pick stuff out.
Yeah. And they can sense your intention. Like if you're trying to make a commission, customers can feel that.
Exactly.
You know, where like if you're relaxed and you let them come to you.
Yeah, and you're genuinely interested, yeah. So I think it depends. That's the thing, really knowing your customers and what kind of approach they value and want and what they're buying.
Yeah, and it's so broad because I've worked in retail for like 10 years. And you learn those skills. Like that's why it's so valuable, I think, having a part-time job for a long time before you jump straight into your business full-time, because you learn so much about people and skills and like what works for different organizations, and it's very like they're valuable skills to have.
Yeah. And even via email, I know whenever people inquire with us about different services, people generally want you to write out word for word what is on the website, but they kind of want that validation that there's a real person and you're putting the time into writing it. Because you could kind of be tempted to be like, here's a link to the website because all the information is there. But people kind of want that, that kind of interaction.